Good morning, students. Today we start second lesson, physical features of India. You have already learned earlier that India is a vast country with varied land formations. What kind of terrain do you live in? आप किस प्रकार के एरिया में रहते हैं? If you live in the plains, you are familiar with the vast stretches of plain land. यदि आप मैदानी एरिया में रहते हैं, प्लेन एरिया में रहते हैं, तो आप उससे भली भांति परिचित होंगे कि vast stretches of plain land, बहुत बड़े-बड़े विस्तृत मैदान हैं. In contrast, if you live in hilly region, यदि आप हिली रीजन में रहते हैं, माउंटेन रीजन में रहते हैं, the rugged terrain with mountains and valleys are common features. In fact, our country has a particular all major physical features of Earth, that is mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus and icelands. Means we have mountains, plains, deserts and Iceland. You must be wondering how these physical features have been formed. आप ये सोच करके बहुत सोचेंगे कि ये फिजिकल फीचर कैसे बने होंगे. You will learn more about major features of India and how they have been formed. We find different types of rocks. Some are very hard like marble. You know, some rocks are very hard like marble, which has been used for making ताजमहल. आपने देखा होगा कि जो ताजमहल बना है वो हार्ड रॉक्स का बना है. एंड सम आर वेरी सॉफ्ट लाइक सॉफ्ट स्टोन विच इज यूज्ड इन मेकिंग टाल्कम पाउडर. और कुछ एक जो रॉक्स होती हैं बहुत ही मुलायम होती है, जैसे सैलखेड़ी, तो सॉफ्ट स्टोन. कलर ऑफ जिनका क्या बनता है टाल्कम पाउडर. The other color of varies from one place to other because soil is formed out of different types of rocks. Have you ever thought about the cause of these variations? क्या आप इस कारण के बारे में आपने कभी जो है इन कारणों के बारे में, वेरिएशंस के बारे में सोचा? Most of the variation of occur due to the differences in rock formations. ये जो ज्यादातर वेरिएशन होता है ये रॉक फॉर्मेशन की वजह से होता है कि कौन सी टाइप्स की रॉक्स है, किस प्रकार से बनी है, तो उसी से जो है वेरिएशंस आती हैं. India is a large land mass formed during different geological periods which has influenced her cliff. Besides geological formation, a number of processes such as weathering, erosion and deposition have created and modified the reef to its present form. जैसे अब these are weathering. रॉक फॉर्मेशन में जो है हमारी कौन कौन सी जो है जियोलॉजिकल जो है फॉर्मेशंस में कौन कौन सी प्रोसेसेस के द्वारा जो है ये फॉर्म होती है, जैसे वेदरिंग, इरोजन, weathering, erosion and deposition and have created and modified the reef to its present form. Earth scientists have attempted to explain the formation of physical features with the help of some theories based on certain evidences. One such plausible means sarvamanya theory is the theory of plate tectonics. According to this theory of theory of plate tectonic plate tectonic plate of theory of plate tectonic. According to this theory, the crust of the earth has been formed out of the 7 major and some minor plates. Earth, these plates are Pacific plate, North American plate, South American plate, African plate, Eurasian plate, Indo-Australian plate and Antarctic plate. The movement of plates results in the building of stresses within the plate and the continental rocks have above leading to folding, faulting and volcanic activity. Broadly, these plate movements are classified into three types. Classification of plate movement. Classification of plate movements. Number one, convergent. Boundary. Number two, divergent boundary. Number three, transform boundary. First, convergent boundary. When two plates come close to each other. When two plates come towards each other is called convergent movement. Some plates move away from one each other is called divergent boundary. These plates move away from each other is called divergent boundary. Third, when two plates come into contact, they either collide and crumble, or one may slide under the other. They may also move horizontally. When two plates collide with each other, they move horizontally. This is called transform boundary. The movement of these plates have changed the position and size of the continent over millions of years. Such movements have also influenced the evolution of present landform features of India. The oldest land part of land was Gondwana land, the peninsular part. The Gondwana land included India, Australia, South America and Antarctica as one single land mass. The conventional currents split the crust into number of pieces, thus leading to the drifting of Indo-Australian plate after being separated from the Gondwana land towards north. The northward drift resulted in the collision of plate with the much larger Eurasian plate. Due to this collision, the sedimentary rocks which were accumulated in the geosyncline known as Tethys were folded to form the mountain system of Western Asia and Himalaya. When, as you know, when the Australian plate and Eurasian plate move towards each other, then our Tethys Sea becomes a mountain, Himalayan mountains. Himalayan uplift out of the Tethys Sea and subsidence of the northern flank of the peninsular plateau resulted in the formation of large basin. In due course of time, this depression gradually got filled with deposition of sediments by the rivers flowing from the mountains in the north and peninsular plateau in the south. A flat land of extensive alluvial deposits led to the formation of northern plains of India. जैसा कि आपने देखा कि जब जो है यूरेशियन प्लेट और ऑस्ट्रेलियन प्लेट एक दूसरे की तरफ मूवमेंट किया तो उससे क्या हुआ, जो हमारा टिथिस सागर था वहां पर जो है माउंटेन और एक बहुत बड़ा प्लेन और प्लेटो एरिया बन गया। तो ये जो हमारी जो माउंटेन है, हिमालय जो माउंटेन है, वो जो है टिथिस सागर हुआ करता था इससे पहले। तो ये जो है मूवमेंट ऑफ प्लेट्स की वजह से क्या हुआ, जो हमारी प्रेजेंट फॉर्म है इसमें जो है हिमालय जो माउंटेन है वो यंग माउंटेन है और उसके बाद बहुत बड़ा प्लेन एरिया है हमारा और साथ में प्लेटो रीजन है। तो फ्लैट लैंड, ये जो लैंड है इसमें जो है बहुत सारे जो है एल्यूवियल डिपॉजिट्स है जो कि led to the formation of northern plains of India. The land of India display great physical variation. अब इंडिया में जो है बहुत ग्रेट फिजिकल वेरिएशंस हैं। जियोलॉजिकली पेनिनसुलर प्लेटो constitutes one of the ancient land mass of the earth surface. अब जो प्लेटो सबसे ancient land mass कौन सा है, हमारा प्लेटो रीजन है। It was supposed, या पेनिनसुलर पार्ट भी कह सकते हैं, it was supposed to be one of the most stable land blocks. The Himalayas and the northern plains are the most recent landfall. ये तो जो हिमालय और जो प्लेन एरिया है ये बहुत ही रिसेंट लैंडफॉर्म्स है हमारे। From the viewpoint of geology, Himalayan mountain form an unstable zone. The whole mountain system of Himalaya represents a very youthful topography with high peaks, deep valleys and fast flowing rivers. आपने देखा होगा हिमालय में तो बहुत हाई पीक्स हैं, बड़ी पीक्स हैं, डीप वैलीज हैं एंड फास्ट फ्लोइंग रिवर्स हैं। नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स आर फॉर्म्ड ऑफ एल्यूवियल डिपॉजिट्स। द पेनिनसुलर प्लेटो इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ इग्नियस एंड मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स with gently rising hills and wide valleys. That's all about this lesson. Now students, do reading and make reading based questions. That's all. Thank you. और 13 49 खत्म होगी।